last day. You will post outside there, yeah?
Like I have to do a lot of editing. Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey by Sonali. Finally, we have part 2 from the Global Village series, and mind you, this is the final day for the season. So let's explore around and I'll show you everything that went down during the couple of hours we spent there. Stay tuned. And please do not forget to watch till the end. So much of amazing things ahead. First things first, we need to find a good spot to have some good food because we've been starving for the past couple of 4 to 5 hours because it almost took us 3 hours to reach with the traffic situation, and of course because it's a final day, everybody wants to go on the last day. But anyhow, we're just exploring, trying to find a good spot that we can have some good food. Why am I repeating? Anyways, so let's see what we find ahead. At this point we were super exhausted, so we couldn't miss this famous chai spot. So yummy. Thank you.
Let's get something that's feeling the food.
Point we're still tired for looking some good and filling food that we can have, but staying hopeful. And now we're about to enter the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and explore around to see what the country has to offer in order to represent its own culture. And let's walk through. I also couldn't introduce, we had another good friend of ours who is a Filipino who accompanied us on the last day, and we were strolling around.
I need a pink straw. Salt. Salt.
No, secondo.
Malai kulfi.
How is it? Nice? This is actually nice. Let me try. Also, here's a rare footage of my own sister who also tends to have a lot of fear for camera, but nevertheless we managed to put up quite a show and enjoyed all that yummy food, and it was so nice, and I was still craving for some ghee dosa if I remember right. It was super yummy at this point, and look how happy I am. Oh, not to forget, we did some shopping in India. Okay, so this is my second most favorite part of the entire day. We are looking for a proper restaurant that we can sit down and have some good food. So after a few minutes, we got ourselves a spot where we can sit down, and while we wait for our food, and we were enjoying the atmosphere. It was so nice, and then we suddenly heard a glimpse of firework. So I had to step out in order to capture that beautiful moment while we wait for our food. So it was so nice, and it was amazing to see how the sky was fully lit up in order to mark the final day of the global village.
Nuts because spicy, but that's sweet. Nothing. You're recording? For what? I'm YouTube video. Yeah? You have to take the video from top. Yeah, so much. Why do you have this type of fork? How did you get the fork? Mine is plastic. I just have cutlery, that's what you want. Okay, let's show that one. Wow. Yeah, I think it's the same. They just added something tangy. Okay, can I stop it? I need to put my hand. The bread is off. I think it is everything. The bread. The bread is very original. Yes, right. Authentic. Oh, that's what I meant. Oh, sorry. I'm not in touch. Pay for that. It's not changing. I eat most of it.
Yeah. It's yummy. I have to fake my emotions.
I want you to bring over the next day. I will still have bread. Yes, sir.
So much of inspiration for the kids. Yeah. You want to try? Maybe if we taste good, I'll come the next week. Next week, we should more. You want to come next time?
It's my mouth. It's my nose.
Get anything.
Thank you.